Oscar is here, and today we're at a hotel. We're about to go to bed, but before we go to bed, I just want to do a little apartment room tour. Got my Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons here. And we have Emily. She's not really happy. And here's my Nintendo Switch. Mercury Deluxe. So this is the room that we're sleeping in. Here's our little TV watching Andy Mac. And this is our stars. This is the bed. Food. More Joy-Cons. Pop-Tarts. My drink. Are you there?
No, like this. No, not that.
Oh. Here. And now, coffee station, if you guys can see, coffee cups, actual coffee, I guess, under its creamer or something, I don't know. There's a little bit of creamer, Splenda, and stuff like that. I have hot coffee in front. So on the microwave, it says bacon slices, chicken pieces, fish, ground beef, potatoes, popcorn, soup, some beverage. Okay. I don't really know what this is supposed to be. I'm not gonna really touch it because I don't know what it's supposed to be. Oh, what's it for then?
What do you think you use?
Water. Water. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Day one in the hotel. You think after all the time I would be like overly addicted to the Nintendo Switch, but I can actually go a few hours without playing the Nintendo Switch, and I'm actually proud of myself because my parents didn't want me to be addicted to the Nintendo Switch. I thought I was gonna be, but then once it got close towards me getting the Nintendo Switch, I was like, I'm probably not gonna be addicted to this thing. Like I don't want to do anything else but play the Nintendo Switch. Wow. Okay, so let's play a little bit of Nintendo Switch and then I can finish the room tour. Can you guys believe I actually have a Nintendo Switch? Who can believe I have a Nintendo Switch? The bathroom looks beautiful. I'm just gonna tell you that. And tomorrow's vlog is probably gonna be a little bit of a long vlog because we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. We're gonna be going on a pool. We're gonna be going to the pool. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my breakfast here. And I don't know if it's gonna be a part of the cooking video, but I'm probably not gonna make it a part of the cooking video. But it probably would have been cool to make a cooking video at a hotel, but it's probably not gonna happen. But yeah. I'm excited for tomorrow little vlog thingy, and I'm gonna play some Mercury Deluxe, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's time for the rest of our room tour. I'm watching Bizarre Effect right now. Airport. The thing about this game is that 1 second you will be in first place, the next second you'll be in last place. So that's the one thing about this game. Like, I just got in first place and then I got hit by something and now I'm instantly in 8th place. Not fun. I'm going so fast, you guys don't even understand. That's where I went to there. We are in the bathroom right now and look. And yes, music on this phone. That's pretty much it for this room tour. Yeah. So, bye. And now it's like that's time. Cooking videos will be coming out sometime after Monday. So that's time. Bye.